Alright everyone, I assume you're here to make a plushie. A cute little plushie. Right? A plushie of, I don't know. A certain character, a certain yokai. Hold on, let me double check I got the pronouns here. Kuchisake Onna. You're for a plushie of that. I won't be saying it too much because it's difficult, and for when I don't know, when I'm still learning a word, it's difficult. I made sure to get it done, but I don't usually say plushie names too much in a video anyway, so that's not important to say. But anyway, hi, I'm Dusk, and whether it's your first or 38th time here, I'll take you through all the steps to make a wonderful Kuchisake Onna plushie. And, yeah. Well, don't be ashamed if it's wonky. That's how handmade plushies kind of are, and watch all the way till the end before you start, I'd recommend. And, so the first thing you're going to do is go to the description, then download and print the pattern. Keep all my patterns in the descriptions. And then once you got it printed out, you're going to want to do the first thing and cut it up. Cut out the pattern pieces. And then you're going to want to apply those to the fabric and go around and cut them out. I'll do two parts on this. So for like brighter colors, you're going to need 3 torso panels in your clothing color of choice, because this one works well with customization. So 3 torso panels in your choice of color, and 3 skirt panels in that same color, 6 limb panels in that color yet again, 6 limb panels in cream, 2 palm panels in cream as well, 1 face panel in cream, 2 eye pieces in white, 3 wraps, 3 like long wrap pieces in a color of your choice. Pick one that goes well with the torso. 2 wrap pieces, 1 each in the other 2 styles in that same color. And 1 bottom piece in the same color as the torso. Yeah, that's for the bright colors. Oh, and you can do 2 palm pieces in any color for the shoes, but I'd recommend doing black for those, which I'll talk about later. And then for black, the strategy is a bit different. You're going to need to hold it down, maybe stick a needle through it, stick a couple needles through it to hold it in place, to get the shape correct. And you're going to want to get 2 eyelash pieces in black, 2 pupil pieces in black, 2 back pieces in black, 2 hair pieces in black, and maybe 2 palm pieces in black, but that depends if you wanted to make the shoes a different color. Yeah. Alright, and once you got everything cut out, you're going to want to start the torso. First, you're going to start by finding a little triangle, folding the face panel in half, and sewing up the little triangle so that it's like a little crease. And then do the same with the big triangle opposite to the little one.
And now
now start making an eye. First, attach the eyelash to the top of the eye. Now attach the pupil to one end, to like the end opposite to like the pokey part of the eyelash. Now make another. It should be like a mirror when lined up. Now attach the teeth to the mouth. You should be near the middle. Go do a little square. A little teeth to like the cutout part. Red. Attach the mouth here. I forgot to mention earlier, yeah, you're gonna need one big mouthpiece in red and one teeth piece in white. But you're gonna want to attach the mouth here. And one eye here. And the other eye here. Now you're going to want to start the back of the head. You're going to want to, like, line both pieces up. And start on the curved end with no spiky bits interrupting it. You're going to start in the middle and go to the closest corner. Now do the same with the other corner, but leave a gap in between the two so you can poke your finger through. Yeah. And now attach both sides together. You shouldn't be able to see the face while you do this. It should be like facing the other piece. And now invert it through the little hole you left in the back of the head. And stuff it. And close up the gap so that it's now rounded. Now it's a little round ball with a face on it. Now you're going to want to start making the hair. Grab like both hair pieces, line them up, and go everywhere except the long end without the long, not so spiky end. Not so pokey end. Go everywhere but there. Like start at one end and go to the other end, but instead of going over that part, you're gonna go everywhere else but there. And now invert it. And attach the hair to the head. Yeah, pretty much it for the head. And when you start the torso first, you're going to want to attach a skirt piece to the bottom. Yeah, you're going to attach the skirt piece hanging down to the bottom of a torso panel. Yeah. And then you're going to want to attach like the long wrap around the middle of it. Yeah. And then you're going to want to do 2 more of those. Like repeat those first 2 steps 2 more times. If you need help getting them, you can do them next to each other, like so you can look at how it's done on the first one so you can line them up properly. Now, on one of them you're going to attach an extra a small wrap piece about here. And a second extra one right here. Now attach two pieces together. The wraps should be facing each other while you do this. Try to get both the skirt and the entire torso panels on their long side with this. Like, just the longest side. Just one long side. Try to get both the torso and the skirt in it. And then add the third, do the same thing. Then attach the two that aren't yet attached to each other. Now tuck in the skirt and attach the bottom, go all the way around. Now invert it, and stuff it, and attach it to the head, yeah. And then you're going to want to start making the arms, which first you're going to line up two arm panels and attach them on the long side. And then the same with a third. And now attach two that now attach the ones that aren't connected yet to each other. Now add a palm panel, like the cream colored palm panel. Also the arm panel should all be white. So just add the cream palm panel. Invert it. Stuff it. And now, I forgot to mention this earlier too, but you're going to need 4 hanging pieces in the same color as the torso, and when I say white panel, I mean torso colored earlier. You're going to need 4 of these in the torso color, and then you're going to want to attach them along the curved edge. Invert one, and now attach it to the arm itself along the side. Now make another exact same thing again. And now you're gonna want to do the same thing for the legs. Do it twice, but you're gonna want to skip over like the hanging part, and you're going to use cream for the legs and whatever you chose as your shoe color for the palms. Yeah, make 2 of them. Attach one arm here. The hanging part should be facing down. Connect the other arm here, same thing. Connect one leg here. Yeah, just connect that leg here. And the other leg here. And that got you a Kuchisake Onna plushie. It's horrifying. Alright, that is it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, hype the video, hype the video, hype the video. If you have any plushes you want to see in the future, don't be afraid to leave them down in the comments. I don't do every suggestion, but I consider them at least. They make me think of things I didn't even consider sometimes, and yeah, that's pretty cool. And in terms of hints, what would be a good hint for next video? You know what? Fluff this. I'm just gonna flat out tell you one of the two plushes in the next video. You're gonna get the Queen of Hatred from Lobotomy Corporation really soon. Yeah, that's pretty much it. In terms of scraps, you're getting a Davey Does Tutorials face set, which is pretty cool. You can use it if you want, or if you don't have to. I'm just happy to give it to y'all. Alright, that's it. Goodbye.